I'm truly sorry, but things will change. You're not the girl I used to know. It's killing me, and then running through my memories. Your stories echo from the past. Because your face got up like you're a black past. Sorry, I really am. I find the words that I don't hate.